Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the best investments to make money. Before diving in, it's essential to understand your personal financial goals and how much risk you are comfortable taking. Investing is about putting your capital to work, aiming for future income or growth. A smart approach often involves spreading your investments across different types of assets to reduce overall risk and enhance potential returns over time. Let's compare stocks and bonds. Stocks give you a piece of a company, offering the chance for significant growth, though with higher volatility. Bonds, on the other hand, are essentially loans you make, providing more predictable, fixed interest payments. Historically, stocks have offered average annual returns of around 10%, while bonds typically yield between 4 and 6%, reflecting their lower risk profile. Beyond traditional stocks and bonds, real estate is another popular avenue. It can generate steady rental income and appreciate in value over many years. For those seeking broad market exposure without individual stock picking, mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, or ETF, are excellent choices. These professionally managed funds allow you to invest in a diverse basket of assets with just one purchase. Finally, remember that patience is a virtue in investing. Consistent, long-term commitment often yields far better results than trying to time the market. Reinvesting any dividends or interest earned can dramatically accelerate your wealth accumulation through the power of compounding. For personalized guidance, consider speaking with a qualified financial advisor to create a strategy perfectly suited for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.